You must welcome Global Spoken English.
Good morning, all of you. First of all, I would like to thank my respected teacher who gave me a golden chance. My name is Lavkush. I live in Bagholi. My father name Britesh Kumar and my mother name Sheila Devi. I am learning from Global Spoken English. So today I will speak about importance of English. Hindi is our native language. We are proud of the Hindi language, but from a behavioral point of view, English also has special significance. Presently, English has emerged as one such language due to which we can connect whole world. English is the most important language of the communication between different countries. People who speak English, they get more job opportunities. A person capable of speaking English too easy to travel abroad. If you go abroad, English will help you. If you go abroad and you don't know English language, then you will have to face problem because their people don't know your language. Those people know English language. If you know English language, English will teach you something everywhere. If you know English language, you can go any corner of the world. English is the unifying language in India because North India and South India to connect. If you want to study MBA, NET, MBBS, etc., then you should know English language, then you can study. Hindi is the first language and second language English. After that, Maharashtrian, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Japanese, Chinese, etc. First of all, you acquire the native language in childhood from before coming to school. If you know English very well, you can speak anywhere in the world. Then you will not have to face problem. If you know English very well, you can give interview anywhere in any field. English is a very important language in the world. It is international language and it is spoken all over world. If you go South India and out of India, then you have only one language, English, by which you can communicate with each other in a simple manner. Bangla is spoken in Bangladesh, Punjabi is spoken in Punjab, Bhojpuri is spoken in Bihar and some places of Uttar Pradesh. But English is spoken all over India. Nowadays, English plays a major role to get job in many sectors. If you want to get job in private sector or government sector, English plays a major role. In today's global world, importance of English cannot be denied and ignored because English is the most common language as a spoken everywhere. English plays a get role. English plays a major role in various sectors like education, medicine, engineering, etc. Two people who come from different countries usually use English as a common language to communicate with each other. English is not only important to increase your knowledge and working opportunities, but also helps you to increase your confidence. English help to you everywhere, anytime. If your English is very good, you can also learn everywhere. And if your English is very good, you can learn anytime. If you want to succeed in other country, so you will have to learn English. English plays a major role for promotion in jobs. With the help of English, you can learn culture of the other countries and their tradition. So thank you for listening.